What's up, guys? So you see the title of this video, and I'm basically starting over fresh, starting over to new beginnings, showing people that you can do anything that's possible. You can do anything that you set your mind to, as long as you stay focused. Never let anyone tell you that you can't do something, because each and every last one of you is great. You have to believe it here. You have to believe it here. There's times that I always beat myself up saying, oh, I'm never going to make it. I'm never going to be good enough to do this, so I'm never going to be good enough to do that. And you can't let your mind think that. You can't continue to go about life thinking that, because regardless, life will go on and you will continue to be in the same place that you was before. You have to go out and execute, take action towards your goals, take action towards your life. Nobody's perfect. Nobody is perfect. But if you just take each step every single day to become better, you can do a little bit more every day, every time. All it takes is you to just put a little bit of the pieces together. You may see somebody else that has everything you want, maybe the same age as you. They got everything. But you gotta realize that maybe that time already came. That was their journey. It's not time for you right now. It's gonna happen. It's going to happen. As long as you stay consistent and be dedicated to your craft and never give up towards what you want. As long as you always go for it and go after it. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here, or like a cinematic type of deal. But if you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.